Welcome to Pip Insight. Tuesday the 14th of July, New York pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 3 showing bullish structure and 4 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, Euro dollar, Pound dollar, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure, Gold dollar, Dollar yen, Dollar Swiss, Dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold breakdown, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Gold is sitting at around $4,034 heading into the New York Open, and the broader picture remains moderately bearish. On the 4-hour chart, price has been in a clear downtrend since the highs up near $4,147 set earlier this month, carving out a sequence of lower highs and lower lows. All 3 major moving averages are stacked above current price, with the 20 EMA near $4,064 and the 50 EMA up around $4,089 acting as a lead ceiling. RSI is deeply oversold at 27, which can sometimes precede a corrective bounce, but the MACD is still showing expanding bearish momentum, so oversold alone isn't a reversal signal. The short-term picture shows a modest recovery from Monday's lows near $3,990, but it reads as a relief bounce within the downtrend rather than a genuine shift in direction. Now, the dominant catalyst today is USCPI at 8:30 Eastern. Forecasts suggest both headline and core inflation cooling from prior readings. If that prints softer than expected, dollar weakness could give gold a meaningful lift toward the $4,055 to $4,075 resistance zone. A hotter print, however, reinforces Fed caution and likely keeps pressure on gold. Fed Chair Walsh then testifies at 10 o'clock, which could add another layer of volatility. The levels to watch heading into the session: resistance between $4,055 and $4,075, and support down in the $3,990 to $4,008 zone. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.1462 and 1.1478. Support is marked between 1.1405 and 1.1418. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.3448 and 1.3452. Support is marked between 1.3372 and 1.3378. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 162.2 and 162.35. Support is marked between 161.27 and 161.45. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8115 and 0.813. Support is marked between 0.8058 and 0.8068. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing clearly defined bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.585 and 0.5865. Support is marked between 0.5795 and 0.581. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing clearly defined bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4105 and 1.412. Support is marked between 1.405 and 1.4065. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.